Hello and welcome today to another unboxing video here on the channel. Today we're going to be opening and unboxing the Dell 2719, which, as the number suggests, is a 27-inch monitor from 2019. The letters DGF follow the item itself. So we're going to take a look and see what we get here. The time of this recording is late 2020, so this is a couple years old now. This is coming from Amazon, if you couldn't tell by the box. We have a box within a box, hopefully no damage. Here we have the front, top with a potential handle. Gives you some ideas of how to open it, how not to open it. S2719DJF, according to the outside of the box. A cute picture of the back of the monitor on the back of the box. Oh, it's not lightweight. Power HDMI 1.4, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, which I think is 1.2. Power lock, upstream and downstream, USB 3.0. Let's see what's inside. Inside, I read this thing comes in 3 parts. We have the neck of the stand, if you will. We'll call this the base of the stand. A USB 3.0 cable, a HDMI cable, I'm not sure if it's a fast one or an old one. One standard power cable. With the 3-prong US style connector. Light documentation, including setup guide, warranty information. Main event. Display itself. Pray tell I don't drop or break this. We're in the some assembly required territory here. Not sure if you can see everything. The neck, the base, the display itself, and 3 cables, a It's information, how to set up, I'm sure. Basic warranty info. This is your Dell S2719DJF. And no, DJF does not stand for don't give a flip. I don't know what DJF stands for. But we'll do a quick setup and we will. So the base of the unit holds the neck, and then this screws in, locking the neck in place. We're going to attempt to hook this thing on. It looks like a hook and drop, and then I'm not exactly sure, but you should be able to figure this out. Didn't sound too great at first, but I think we're in. This is supposed to have pivot. Not sure how well that's going to work. Yeah, you can pivot it this way. You can pivot it that way. Which is nice, and it's got some raise and lower functionality. So I'll try to get some more footage once this is all set up. Anyway, this has been your Dell S2719 unboxing and setup video. I hope you enjoy. If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I will hope to see you next time.